Some chamomile tea. Mickey Mouse in the background. That's what's playing. Always. Hashtag mom life. And welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing and trying out for the first time the collab that Nicole Guerriero did with OGX. And so it's a shampoo and a conditioner. I was on the hunt for these for a very long time because basically they're comparing it to Christmas in a bottle, so I was very intrigued by that. But there are three different shampoos that she has with them, and this is basically the only one I found, which is the Midnight Kisses one. Yes, I was in the hunt forever. Like, I went to Ulta, they didn't really have. I went to Walmart, and they had all three, but only the shampoos. And I went to Walgreens, my local Walgreens, and they didn't have it either. Finally, I spotted it in my one and only Target. So, but this was the only one, so I guess I'm gonna give this one a try. It's the shampoo and a conditioner. So yeah, my hair is typically very greasy, and my hair gets very bored of shampoos very easily. So we'll see. This says, count down to the moment you kiss your strands and your senses with this alluring blend of hope and possibilities, with notes of warm vanilla, softly scented orange blossoms, and sugar cane. Celebrate new hair beginnings and moments to come with hydrated strands to start the year off right. So, sounds good to me. I'm gonna go give it a go and I'll let you know. And obviously I am not naked. I have this little towel thingy majingy on. So yeah, I'll be back. Results. Obviously you can't tell too much over the screen, but I can tell you that I really like the way it feels. It leaves your hair very silky and shiny, but not shiny in a greasy kind of way, which is what I'm mostly worried about whenever I do try a new shampoo, because since my hair is already greasy as it is, I don't like to feel that greasiness. So I actually really like it, and it's actually also sulfate free. So for those of you with a keratin treatment, you know, you can also use it. I wasn't too crazy about the scent because you feel more like the citrusy, like the orange, more than the vanilla. And I don't really like too much citrus. Like, I don't like citrus anything. But the good thing is that it doesn't linger around your hair. So yeah, you feel it more. You feel the orangey scent more in the shower than like actually outside. So it doesn't really stick to the whole orangey scent. But definitely I would not say it's what was it that I said? It's not Christmas in a bottle, but then again, this is only one of them. I have to still try the other two, so stay tuned for that, because I'm going to try to find them. But yeah, so overall I actually really do like it, and I can't wait to try the other two that they have in stores. So okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.